For lesson number 6, we're going to go over how to make a character look sinister and what you need to apply to accentuate those features in a character to make them look like they're evil, up to no good. Let's get started on number 6.
All right, how to make something sinister. So if we're gonna do, say, here more edges, right? More furrowed brow. Try not to make the eyes too big. Right, so keep the eyes small. Something like this, right? So yeah, you want to keep eyes small and more sharper edges on the character. You can kind of go crazy with spikes and things like that, however you want. If you're going with a vampire guy. Vampire guy. So keep the eyes small and right, furrowed brow, that sort of thing. Pointy, more angled faces, right? And even though his brow isn't as furrowed because he's a human, right? This is a wolf, so I want to stick to stuff like that. All right, that's the end of lesson number 6, how to make things sinister.